What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at NZDUSD update from a monthly time frame. So from a monthly time frame, I told you guys in the previous analysis to be watching out for a selling opportunity in this area, and that is exactly what we got on the monthly time frame. As you can see, the market before had a lot of resistance here, and we expected it to have a lot of resistance here. Now, a very cool and funny pattern that the market is making right now, if you have a look at this move over here, the market created this low over here, then came up for a retest of that resistance line, then created this big impulse to the downside. Now the market has created an equal high over here, and after an equal high, normally what we can expect if the market creates something like this, we are looking for a inverted head and shoulder pattern on the monthly time frame. So when the market creates an equal high of the resistance area, then we expect the market to create a head and shoulders and further push to the upside. Now let's go down and let's mark our target for now. If you would like to follow this trade, you can as well. Let's look at it from a weekly perspective. Now from a weekly perspective, as I said to you guys before, this is a really strong area of previous resistance, and we expected resistance here as well. Now, the only way that you can actually enter into this trade on the weekly time frame or on the daily time frame, it is very simple. We need to see a very good break of structure. So if the market will now break this structure to the downside over here, then we can expect further continuation on the weekly time frame to our target area around here. So if the market will break this area, then I will be looking for another sell opportunity to take this trade to the downside to complete the inverted head and shoulders. Let's go down on the daily time frame, and you can clearly see what the daily time frame is telling us. If you look at the daily time frame, it's quite simple and clear that the market created this M formation, and the M formation is almost complete. Now, if you would like to trade an M formation, it is quite easy. We have an M formation, what we expect from the market after an M formation, as now we are reaching quite strong support area, as you can see on the left hand side here. This is a very strong area of monthly support. So after an M formation has formed, what we need to do and what we need to be waiting for is we need to be waiting for the market to retest the neckline, because the market on an M formation, when the market will create an M formation, the market will need to come up again to grab some more liquidity for a next push to the downside. So if you would like to trade this pair, it is quite simple and quite clean price action. Where do we actually have to wait is in this area over here. Very easy. Also, if you take your Fibonacci from the high of the impulse to the low when the impulse will be finished, you can basically see that the market will now have to come up again to retest that 382 Fibonacci. Okay, so we can expect the market now to make a small push to the downside, and then from there make a correction to this area and further continuation to the downside. So it is a very easy pair to trade. What we need to be waiting for on the 4-hour time frame is for the market to come to this area. Once the market will come into this area, I will then be waiting with my VIP members for the next push to the downside and completion of the inverted head and shoulders on the monthly time frame. I hope that this video was interesting for you and educational for you. If it was, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel as well, because I will be uploading a lot more educational content and a lot more analysis for you guys. So make sure that you hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in the next analysis. Have a great day.